Hi there, this is Bob Holtacker with Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. This video on our beautiful Dodge Ram 1500 is for Lady Foster in Massachusetts. Beautiful truck, shows like new. I couldn't believe when I found out this is a 2013. You look at the wheels, you look at the tires are brand new. Beautiful color here in the sun. This is the 5.7 liter Hemi. You could pull anything with this thing. It's really a beautiful, beautiful truck. Take a look at the color. We've got the running steps. You're not going to be able to hear the exhaust on the video, but it's got a very nice double exhaust note on the Hemi. Not overwhelming, but nice nonetheless. Let's take a look inside just for a minute. It's clean, no burns, no rips, no tears, no dog scent or things like that. Really is a nice, fresh, modern interior. We'll show you the back seat. Enough room for the family. So it is a 4x4. You've got settings on the dash to control that, which is nice. Let's get in, take it for a quick drive. One of the nice things about our vehicles here, all of the pre-owned vehicles, we don't need to go to the auto auction. So whatever is traded in here to purchase a new Mercedes, we keep on the lot. And this was one of those trades. Someone decided they just needed an SUV and chose a Mercedes. So the car is very smooth, very quiet, beautiful stereo. And it's just beautiful in all respects. I can't believe it. Lady, this is Bob Holtacker again with Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz. We're about an hour and 45 minutes north of Boston. This is telling us our seat belts aren't on. But I'll give you a call after I send this video out this afternoon and invite you to come up to see the car. Thank you.